The 2024 Nissan Armada is on sale now with a starting manufacturer's suggested retail price of $55,450. Armada's capability includes a refined 5.6-liter endurance V8 rated for 400 horsepower and 413 lb-ft of torque, supporting a towing capacity of up to 8,500 pounds. Standard Nissan Safety Shield 360, class-exclusive Intelligent Forward Collision Warning and class-exclusive available Intelligent Around View Monitor contribute to even greater confidence. Intuitive connectivity includes the largest standard infotainment screen in its class, a 12.3-inch HD screen with standard Android Auto and wireless Apple CarPlay, Amazon Alexa built-in, for standard USB ports and wireless device charging. Appealing available features include 22-inch wheels, a 13-speaker Bose audio system and a Midnight Edition package, comprising black interior and exterior trim pieces. For the 2024 model year, Armada's streamlined model lineup consists of 3 well-equipped grades, now starting with SV and moving up to SL and Platinum, with a choice of rear-wheel drive or Nissan's advanced intelligent 4-wheel drive system with a 2-speed transfer case.